must go on. For good days, without missing life, under any conditions and at any moment, you must go on with confidence. Behind these assertive but beautiful wishes is the leading manufacturer of orthopedic products, compression stockings, and liposuction garments that support to go on life in case of need. Just as we were excited when we made our first corset in 1958, we go on adding value to life with the same excitement and motivation today. The desire to achieve new things, be a pioneer, and always do better is a principle of us that shapes our brand character beyond being an ordinary target. Around 300 Variteks employees work in the light of this principle. We know that up-to-date technology and engineering practices are necessary. And with this point of view, we care about investing in people. We believe that our communication and motivation should be kept fit for productivity and continuous efficiency. We have taken another step as a reference for the sector in terms of adequate facility with the right infrastructure, which is another requirement for good manufacturing and completes the whole. Our factory, which is located in a free zone in Istanbul, has an area of 16,000 square meters, was built with an architecture that will ensure efficiency in production with all its processes. As it is known, there are significant advantages for manufacturers in free zone. The advantages of the free zone compared to other places will be the advantage of our customers, as well as ours as a manufacturer. In our factory, which is one of the world's leading production facilities in its field, beside the efficiency in production, we prioritize efficiency in energy, which is needed by our world. The features that bring this efficiency have enabled our building to be the first green building certified factory among the medical device production facilities in Turkey. This situation, which we consider socially and humanely responsible, also supports the sustainability of the affordable price quality product balance, which has been our policy for a long time. We are aware that the product we produce is a medical device. System and product standards, compliance with social standards, and registration procedures required by the legislation are followed meticulously in this factory. We know the importance of traceability. For us, satisfaction is not just about the satisfaction of our customers in Turkey and more than 80 countries we export to. What we want is that let anyone who needs reach our products and everyone who uses it satisfy. We are also aware of the responsibility of maintaining the standard and always doing better, which comes to us from being the first exporter of Turkey in its field. The investments we make today, with the strength we derive from our past experience and story, become our source of confidence for the future. We go on easing movement, providing support with comfort, renewing, and moving forward. You must go on too, without giving up. Variteks. You must go on.